Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a LED bar, some underglow lights on Segway AT5L 500. The process is pretty simple. I'm just going to go through the steps. So I got the LED bar out. I bought some L-shaped brackets. See one like this. This is the screw that came with this kit. This is the screw that came with this kit. So right here, there's actually a hole. I'm going to show you on this other one. Here. You see this hole here? So get your screw right through it. Use the nut that is actually in the LED bar kit. And with this bracket, it's adjustable. Move left and right. I'm gonna need some washers, and pretty much this is how I attach the LED bar. Then I'm gonna paint this with some plastic dip so that it will look black. Of course, you're gonna need this kit, the one with the button. It looks like this. Has a relay, positive and negative from the battery, and it has a button, and these two wires are going straight to that LED. So of course, first you have to remove the seat. I'm not going to remove it completely because I made a connection here to cancel the beep sound, and then I'm going to make my connection for the UnderGlow actually here. For now, I'm only gonna remove this panel so I can run the wire all the way in the front to this LED bar. Well, this panel doesn't want to come out that easy. I'm gonna remove this one, two clips. Okay, I have some access, so I can install my button right here. Right behind this, somehow, and I'll figure this out. Okay, so I drill a hole in here so I can get a screw and attach this to the side here. Now it's solid here. It's not too high to interfere with my seat. And then I have plus and minus here. I also have to cut these wires and install a switch, because otherwise these LEDs will stay on. I'll show you in a minute. You see this button? I don't like the fact that it's on all the time because I have the connections for the battery directly. But you know, even if you park the vehicle somewhere, someone can press the button, and I don't like that. And plus, I don't like the fact that the LED is on, and in time, a couple of months, probably it's going to drain the battery. For that reason, I want to actually install a switch on this switch on the wire. So I'm going to split this wire somewhere. I'm going to make the connection right here. So every time I'm planning to use those lights, I have to take the seat out, turn that on, and then I know I can use the LED bar. So that's going to be hidden here somewhere. That's going to be the next step. So the wire that connects this switch is the one that has white, black and red. So trying to interrupt one of these wires with this switch. So I'm basically going to cut the wire, make the switch here. That way I can turn the power off. So this is my connection. I cut the red wire. I soldered the ends because I like to have that end solid. And now I have a switch. When I turn this on, I have power here. So I can turn on the lights. See, this is on. I'm gonna turn it off. No power here. No power for the lights. This is the finished product. This relay is secured here. Switch button is here. The wires in there. This goes around. This comes here. Like this. LED. Let's try the seat now, see if it works. Let me show you the final result. So I installed this one first, then this is the second one. The two LEDs for the back, I brought them in through here. I had to cut the wires because they were too short, and instead of running two wires, I only run one wire. I simply capped one wire and I run one wire and I split it in the back for the two LEDs, and I install the back LEDs on the brackets. So you see this screw right here that is holding this bar. I basically removed the screw, added a plate, I tightened the plate with the screw, and then I glue and secure the LED to it. Let's see how they look. I have a green light right here. LED. That's really nice. I have too many lights here right now, but you get the idea. Of course, you can change the color. Green, red, purple, All combinations possible. Yellow. Oh, I like blue. Really nice.